Welcome to our channel. Today we how to contact USPS customer service. Call the official 800 number step by step clearly. First, have your tracking number, mailing receipt, or USPS account details ready in front of you. Next, write down your main issue in one short sentence so you can explain it clearly. Then, prepare your full name, delivery address, and a callback number in case they need it. After that, check the current local time and plan to call during business hours for faster help. Now, use a quiet place and a stable phone connection to avoid call drops. Open your phone dialer and carefully type the official USPS customer service number 1-800-ASK-USPS. Confirm the digits on your screen before you press the call button. When the automated system answers, listen to the full greeting without interrupting. Choose your language option if the system asks you to select one. Follow the voice prompts that match your need, such as tracking, delivery, or missing mail. If you are asked to enter a tracking number, type it slowly using your keypad. If the system asks for a zip code, enter the destination zip code related to your issue. Listen for an option that says speak to a representative or agent. If there is no clear agent option, say representative or agent when the system asks what you need. Stay on the line during any hold music and do not hang up unless the call disconnects. When an agent answers, greet them and state your issue in one clear sentence. Provide your tracking number and confirm the sender and recipient details when requested. Answer any verification questions exactly as they appear on your mailing receipt or account. Ask the agent to repeat the case number or reference number and write it down. Request the estimated timeline for the next update or the next action USPS will take. If you need a refund or a claim, ask the agent which form or online page you must use. If the agent gives instructions, repeat them back to confirm you understood correctly. If the problem is not resolved, politely ask to escalate to a supervisor or a higher support tier. Ask for the best time to call back if the department you need is not available. Before ending the call, confirm what was done today and what will happen next. Verify your email address or phone number so USPS can send updates if needed. Save any emails or notes and keep them with your receipt until the issue is fully closed. If you need to call again, use your case number to speed up the next conversation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.